Welcome to Indian Cooking with Suganthi. This is a short version of a video that I had posted earlier. Hi everyone, welcome to Indian Cooking with Suganthi. Today I'm going to cook a very healthy greens. It's called Moringa leaves. In Tamil we call it Moringa Kirai. I'm going to show you 3 different recipes. I'm going to cook the Moringa leaves with egg, with coconut and with beans and vegetables. Moringa leaves with the beans and vegetable gravy. You can eat it with rice or you can just drink it like soup. If you have not subscribed to my channel Indian Cooking with Suganthi, please subscribe and please click the bell button and also please click the word all, ALM. 3 healthy recipes with moringa leaves, Moringa Kirai. These leaves are from a tree. It's moringa tree or drumstick tree. In English, the moringa fruit is called drumstick because it looks like a stick. These moringa leaves are very nutritious. It's filled with minerals and lot of vitamins. And they have the same health benefits like the turmeric. So let's see how to clean these leaves. You have to pluck only the leaves. All the stems, small and big, should be removed. Okay, I think we should start the cooking. First, I'm going to show you how to prepare the moringa with coconut, shredded coconut. Next, I'll show you how to cook the moringa with eggs. And then I'll show you how to cook with split beans. You can use any kind of split beans. And then vegetables. Again, you can use any vegetables of your preference. Beans takes a long time to cook. So before we start the cooking, let's wash the beans and boil it. To this, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and some curry leaves. And cook it in medium heat until the beans is nice and soft, until it's easily mashable, and put it aside. Should be in this consistency. Let's look at the ingredients we're going to use in the 3 recipes today. Now let's start the cooking. First recipe is moringa with coconut. after you add the coconut, you just cook it for a few minutes until all the wetness in the coconut is gone. So now the moringa with coconut is ready. Our second recipe is moringa with eggs. Moringa with egg is ready. Our third recipe, moringa with beans and veggies. We already boiled the beans So now we are going to mash it a little bit and make it a little softer and smoother. Don't mash it into a fine paste. It should be like this consistency. And put it aside. When you cook the greens with the vegetable, it's best to cook the vegetables first and then at the end add the greens. Today I just put everything together, but the best way to do is cook the vegetable first and then add the leaves. Whenever I cook greens, I do not cover. Since I added the carrots and potatoes today, I'm covering it. Usually what I do is I cook the vegetables and beans first, and at the end I add the leaves. Once you add the leaves, I do not cover. Moringa gravy or moringa soup is ready. So now we have seen 3 healthy recipes made with moringa, and you can be creative and come up with your own recipes. So let's have the moringa and bean gravy over rice. It's very delicious. You can eat it with some appalam or some fried eggs. It's very healthy and very delicious. And today I'm going to have it with all moringa. Moringa with egg, moringa with coconut, and moringa and bean gravy over rice. Please try it. You can also have this moringa with beans and veggie gravy as a soup. That's all, my friends. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will be back soon with more interesting and healthy recipes. And until then, take care And if you have not subscribed to my channel Indian Cooking with Suganthi, please subscribe and click the bell button. And then you'll see the all ALL. Please click that also. Please take care and be safe. And thank you for watching.